Geocachers, Derek here, Big Six Clan. Today, I got a really cool unboxing that you do not want to miss. Let's go. Alright, so this unboxing that I'm going to be doing today is from Practical Geocaching. If you don't know who Practical Geocaching is, you can go to their website at practicalgeocaching.com, and I'm also going to have a link down in the description on that as well. But you can get a lot of different items, from swag to tools to a lot of different really cool stuff that you can get there. And you know what? It's not going to break the bank, and shipping is always free. It's neat on their eBay store, so you can just go on there and find it there. But this is a deluxe night cache kit. Now this is actually the kit that you can use to actually set up a night cache. So let's get to the unboxing and let's see what all is in here. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open it up. Now I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to cut into anything. So let's see what we got. Okay, so first thing is comes in. All right, so everything is right here. There's some logs that we got. So some Practical Geocaching logs that you can put maybe for your night cache or some other logs that you may have. Okay, and then there's another one. It's a sticker for your cache itself, so that's really cool. All right, and the letter about Practical Geocaching. Now, to be able to keep the cost down, it's very practical. Like it goes with Practical Geocaching. And as geocachers, we're all usually try to be really good on how we're doing different stuff so we can go get more caches. So packaging is really practical to keep that cost down on shipping as well. So let's see what all we got in here. All right, so we're gonna first open up this square brown bag looking package. Let's see what it is. I have a feeling I know what this is. All right, oh, good grief. All right, cool. It is an LED flashlight, so we'll just put some batteries in there. But as for night caching, you know what? You need a flashlight. So that's really cool. So we got a flashlight, and really great. Oh, cool. You can even hang it on yourself. So you can hang it as you're walking around. So hand-free caching. All right, that's cool. All right, really neat. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, so looks like two identical kits, but we'll open up and let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, yeah, so I know what this is. This right here, UV marker, and looks like, oh, it looks like it has the light too on it. So what this is so that you can write that invisible ink-like things and be able to see it. So let's see here, okay, so I pulled the little tab out. Yep, so there's the UV. So let's see how this does real quick. Okay, so there's the marker itself. All right, so we got that, wrote it down. Now let's see if we can see it. Oh, that's really cool, sees it really well. Hello, cool. Those are really great so that you can leave messages on different things when you're doing a night cache. Really cool item. All right, so let's see what's in this. All right, so let's see. Looks like there might be like a cache in here, but it looks like it's already got stuff in there. Oh, okay, so I know what this is. So we have a bunch of little fire tacks in here. Really cool. Really great. So, and if you don't know what a fire tack is, these are what you can put on like a tree or something like that. It's not gonna hurt the tree or anything, but it's a reflector, so it'll actually reflect. Now this is an urban night cache. In most caches, or night caches, you have to go out into the woods and go find. But there's things in this one that you don't have to do that. You can use these out in the woods, but you might be able to find other places that you can use these as well. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Look, these look like little stickers. And they're black, so that's kind of cool. That's kind of interesting. They're black, but I am sure that you can, when these reflect at night, you'll be able to see them come out as white. And that's really cool, and they have them as different shapes. So there's a triangle, we got some squares, and some of these have holes in the top of them, and I saw the zip ties in here, so you don't necessarily have to stick them to anything. You might just be able to zip tie it. So that's really great. So, and you can cut these up in different things and maybe make an arrow of some sort or do a lot of different stuff with that. All right, so then we have our zip ties that you can do those, attach those to. Really neat. And let's see here. So that's a magnet. Oh, okay, so this is what you can do. So if you're like putting something like on a magnet and you want a reflector on there, so you're not sticking the actual sticky to the metal or anything like that, you could put it on a magnet and just stick it to that. Really cool. That way, when it needs to come down, you're not out there with a knife scraping on a lamppost or whatever you're putting them on. That's really great. So we have a big square one, and night cache marking trail marker kit, reflective tape. So we got some more reflective tape. So we have some of these bigger ones, other sizes that we can use. Really, really great. Love that. Cannot wait to see how these work. In fact, I'm gonna go out later tonight of me showing these, how these are reflecting. So that's really cool. All right, and let's see what else we got. All right, some more of the magnets that you can put in to use on the different reflectors. Really, really great. Really cool. And this is just a duplicate kit. So it has everything in here that one also had in here. Now let's check everything that we got here. All right, so it says contents, bright eye night tacks. Got them. 5 1-inch 3M reflective marker strips, 2-inch marker tags, flags, small cable ties, and magnetic attachments. All right, so we got everything, 74 pieces in total. And then here's a really great diagram of what you can do with the different reflectors. Really cool, really like that. Best results, use the reflective tape and night caches should be aligned directly to the direction of travel. Some really great tips on there. Some tips and reminders for all night caches. So some of the basic things, because a lot of times there's not a lot of places that have night caches. So this is really great. So thanks guys at Practical Geocaching for sending me out this. This is really cool. I really like this. Now, the hard part is, now I gotta find a place to put a night cache. I have a couple ideas of where I could put an urban night cache that may be leading to, I don't know, some type of gadget with LEDs on it. Who knows? Let's see what we can work out. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Go check out Practical Geocaching. The link is down in the description. Remember, I hope you've enjoyed this. But hey, don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and check out the story behind the cache.